Chickweed, traditionally harvested as a vegetable and enjoyed in many salads and sandwiches. This plant has earned a spot in the heart of many herbalists and self-healers, best known for its ability to cool inflammation and speed healing for internal or external flare-ups. Most people tend to enjoy this as a tea in the springtime to help cleanse the blood. Chickweed contains saponins. Well, got some wood sorrel in there too, so don't look at that one, folks. There we go. Let's focus on some more. This is my garden on the first official full day of summer, 2019. Chickweed gets rid of bacterial infections, or it can help anyway, when applied as a poultice. Susan Weed says she's seen chickweed dissolve ovarian cysts that were as large as an orange. She says that by using chickweed to dissolve a cyst or a benign tumor is a slow process, and it requires consistency. She says that chickweed tincture is required, and it must be made from the fresh plant, not dried. She states that a dropper full of the tincture, taken 2 to 3 times a day for 2 to 16 months, will achieve results. The chickweed tincture is used for many purposes, and as you can see here, I've actually made some. You can see how dark the color of that tincture is. This is what went into the tincture beforehand, or the alcohol, and this is what it looks like after it's been in the alcohol for 8 weeks. If you're daring enough, you could actually eat that. Definitely tastes like booze. Now let's talk about our eye health. Chickweed is amazing for our eyes because it likes to cool and it likes to moisten. It helps with the discomfort of irritation, redness, dryness, styes, conjunctivitis. It can all be soothed with this wonderful plant. And weight loss. Let's see if I can get in a little bit closer here. Let's see. Weight loss. Matthew Wood and Susan Weed are fervent believers that chickweed can reduce fat and help with weight loss. Susan Weed claims that the high saponin content is the reason for this, and Matthew Wood looks to its effect on metabolism and the endocrine function. He says that chickweed regulates water levels and drives off excess fats. As a result, it stimulates both sides of the metabolism, building and breaking down not only through the liver but through the endocrine system. There we go. Chickweed is a diuretic. Therefore, it does induce a loss of fluid from the body. It inhibits the kidney's ability to reabsorb sodium, which enhances the loss of sodium in the urine. When sodium is lost in the urine, water is also lost. So it does help with weight loss. Make no mistake. There is no magic pill, there is no magic plant that can do it all. Losing weight is like a puzzle. There's many pieces to it. Are you eating sugar? Are you exercising? Are you getting proper sleep? There's so much that goes into effective and safe weight loss. Now, people for hundreds of years have used this plant to make poultices and salves to help with skin irritations. There's just so much this plant can do. But for me, I think it's just so wonderful that we have a wild plant that takes root in my garden anyway every year, and I can come out here and I can pick it and throw it into my sandwiches or my salads, and it tastes amazing. So here's some more. It just grows everywhere. And this year, 2019, has been a terrific year for chickweed because there's been very little heat. It's not a fan of heat, this plant. And depending on where you live, this can actually grow in January and February. Chickweed. Add it to your diet or add it to your medicine cabinet. Either way, you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching. For more information about chickweed, I've included a few links below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, Anybody who subscribes to my channel, I am very grateful to you. Thank you, and thank you for watching.